So let's see, this is socket. It's multi-purpose. If you look at it, has a different slots of the power outlet and then a USB port. And then really huge, you can see the cable. So overall, the socket itself, it doesn't have the non-slippery. It has a power reset, like this portion. The non-slippery is more here, but the feet, it actually, this is the part that holds it. And in general, if you look at the material, it's a little thin and cheap, but the cable itself, it's really durable. And I do want to check out this portion because it has the convenience of USB 4 here, and then each side it has the outlet. So I'm gonna plug this in to the cable itself. It's really heavy because since it's so long. And then when this side is on, the light is on, and then this side, then everything is on. So, and then even the USB part, the lights, so the other side also. So the USB seems like, since you plug it in, okay, works. So I am gonna have to plug in something to try. I'm trying to see if I have anything on hand right now. I will test it out with my vacuum. I have a spot that is limited slot, so this gives me definitely more options. We'll take a picture for that.